people. So we are going live. We are going live. We're going to be doing 10-minute workout for complete beginners. And in the background, you'll see that Bam Bam is coming to join us. So just bear with me while I just set up Instagram. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Okay. We have Instagram going. All right. So this is a bit of a test run because we've not done it before outside. So bear with me. I'm just going to have a little slurp of my cacao. All right. So I'll just give you a couple of seconds just to see if anybody's going to join in. So basically, I wanted to do a live to inspire 100 people to start to do some regular exercise. I'm going to be doing it for a week, and if there's a few of you that really like it, then I'm going to do it for longer. So just let me know. You can comment below, you can subscribe so you get the notification that I'm going live. And yeah, if you've got any questions, then please feel free to reach out. And okay, well, let's get started. And oh, got someone that joined, hi. And we've got someone that joined, hi. I might be looking between both screens. So anyway, I'm going to get started. So just start the stopwatch. All right, so this is going to be very, very simple. We're just going to start off by doing a warm-up. So we're just going to start by just taking our legs from side to side. And we're just going to lift the shoulders up. And then relax. And we're going to lift the shoulders up. And then relax. And again, lift the shoulders up. Breathing in. And relax. One more time, lifting the shoulders up. And relax. We're just going to cross over the hands like this. And then we're just going to tap our chest. And we're just going to imagine that for the next 7 days, you're going to see yourself exercising every day for the next 7 days. How amazing is that? Okay, so we're going to do some shoulder circles. Just bringing the shoulders round. Beautiful. Rotating the shoulders. Okay, and then back the other way. That's great. Okay, and then we're just going to swing the arms from side to side. Oops. It's all right, Bunnies. That was me crashing into the thing behind me. Okay, swing the arms from side to side. Beautiful. That's good. Just keep that going. Breathing is nice and normal. Okay, great. And then we're just going to stretch our arm up. So we're just gently stretching down the side of the leg. These movements are all nice and gentle. And then we're going to change sides, stretching to the other side. Hopefully you can't hear that building noise going on in the background. It literally just started as I was doing this video. Okay, beautiful. And then hands on the hips, and we're just going to rotate the hips round one way. Da 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 da. Lovely. And then rotate the hips around the other way. Excellent. Rotating. Just waking up those joints. Good. And then we're just going to rotate the hands. And I'm rotating one ankle. That's if you've got good balance. If not, then you can just hold on and rotate round. And then rotate round the other way. And then the other leg, rotate round. And then rotate round the other way. But just make sure that everybody can hear me. Okay. All right. So we're going to start. If you wonder what I'm drinking here, it's cacao. One of my faves for getting started early in the morning. All right. So first movement is just for 1 minute. And you're literally just going to step touch to the side. That's it. Just touching from the side. And move this little shoe out of the way. She does love to grab a shoe, don't you, Bunny Chops? And if you want to, you can take this step forwards. And then you can take it back. And again, you can take it forwards. And then you can take it back. Okay. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to lift the knees. Now you can just do this on the spot. If it's challenging for you to kind of move from side to side, you can hold on to something. Or you can even do it in a chair. You can do it in a chair sitting down. So I'm just going to do it like this. And I'm going to put a bit of movement into it as well. You've almost nearly done 4 minutes already. I mean, like, how amazing is that? Good. Keep that going. And just breathing through the movements. And then this next one I'm going to show you from the side, because you're just going to lift your heel up behind you. And if you're a little bit fitter, then you can take a wider leg stance and you can actually hit that heel behind you. I'm going to show you from the side. So we just bring the heel up behind you. And then from the front, you don't really see it very much. It just looks like I don't have a leg anymore. Good, just keep this movement going. And just breathing naturally. This is really good. You're doing really well. Got another 30 seconds of this one. Excellent. Keep it going. This is day one. We're almost halfway through day one. Like, how amazing is that? We've almost done 5 minutes. 5 minutes. It just went like that, like whoosh, okay? Okay, now we're gonna kick to the front. Now, depending on your fitness level, you can either do this holding on, or you can really kind of get the leg a bit higher, like a real cha-cha, like a real karate chop. I notice how Bam Bam's not actually joining in today. That's it. So just kicking the legs. And if you want to move this forwards, you can move this forwards as well. And then moving it backwards. Or you can just do it on the spot. That's it. If you want to, for the next 30 seconds, just go a little bit higher. You can do. Or you can just keep it down here. You might start to feel this in the hamstrings. And that's perfectly normal. Okay, we've got 15 seconds left of this one. Good, you're doing really, really well. Keep that going, keep that going, keep that going. Okay, okay, okay. And then the next one, we're going to go back into a side step, but we're just going to go down a little bit lower. Now, if this is challenging, you can just stay and just take a small little step like this. Or you can kind of go down a bit lower. So this is my body position. My chest is up, but my bottom is back a little bit. I'm just kind of squatting down a little bit. That's good. Keep that going. Okay, almost halfway through. Just got another 30 seconds to go. And if you want to just bring in some arms, just for a bit of a challenge, don't worry, you can't do the arms. That's not a problem. You can just do whatever you want with your arms, or not do the arms at all. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Got another 5 seconds of this one. Looking good, looking good. Okay, and then this last one is just marching on the spot. Or you can march around in a circle, or you can march around to pick up the little bunny chops, and we can march together. Marching, marching. We can do some marching. She's normally quite active, but today, I mean, look at that face. Look at that face. Okay, here we go. We'll put the bunny chops down. There we go. Okay, marching. Whoops. Have you got my shoes? And just marching away. Good. There we go. Nearly marched over my dog. 15 more seconds. Dun, dun, dun. Don't worry if the arms feel like a little bit all over the place. That's not a problem. Okay, marching away. Marching away. Okay, fantastic. And then, if you have some water, just grab a slurp of water. Excellent, excellent. Now, let me see if I can see if anybody's here. Don't know how to do the comments. Oh, yes, we do. Hey, Tina. Thank you for joining, Tina. And thank you for Lolin Dag. Thank you for joining as well. So we're just cooling down here. Just cooling down. Okay, now we're just going to do a couple of stretches, all right? So you're just going to link the arms together like this. And just stretch them above your head. Just still keeping the legs moving a little bit just in case the heart rate is up. I saw you doing a stretch there, Bunny Chops. She went like this. Like she was doing the stretch, but she wasn't. Okay, lovely. And we're going to take some deep breaths in. Knees are bent. We're going to breathe in. And breathing out. And again, breathing in. And breathing out. One more time, breathing in. And breathing out. Lovely. And we're just going to stretch out the quadriceps. So you're just going to, now, if this is very tight, okay, you can just lift the leg like this. And that's just going to give you a little stretch. If you can reach your ankle, then you can reach your ankle. But you can just do it like this. It's just a little stretch. And same on the other leg. And then we're going to do a stretching out the hamstrings. One leg in front. I stick my bottom out behind me. And then I change onto the other leg. And I stick my bottom out behind me. And guess what? You just did it. You did your first day of 10 minutes. Well, thank you so much for joining me, and I will be going live again tomorrow with Bam Bam, who might join in, who might not. She didn't get the memo that we're doing a 7-day exercise routine. Anyway, thank you so much for joining. Please follow me if you want more health and well-being and fitness tips, and you can click on the notification so that you are notified when I go live. And thank you so much, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Okay. No. Just bear with me while I figure out how to turn this off, which I don't know how to do. I think maybe that is it. Nope. That is it. Yes. Okay, and this one, I need to learn how to turn it off. Michael, you're there too! Okay, I just got to figure out how to turn it off because I don't know how to do that. Bear with me a second. Oh, there it is. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Michael. Thanks, Tina. Bye!